Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to set a ringtone for specific contact or individual contact on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other latest Samsung One UI 8 device. By default, set the ringtone on your Samsung device. If you want to change the ringtone for individual contact or your favorite person, so follow this tutorial. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app on your Samsung device. Now make sure select the contact tab at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the contact. So here we tap on this number. Now here you can see the eye icon. Tap on it on your Samsung device. Now tap on a more option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here you can find the option change ringtone or vibration. Tap on it. Now select the ringtone option on your Samsung. Here you need to allow. Now here you can see the list of different default ringtone, Samsung brand sound, Galaxy sound. You can see the list of different available ringtone on your device. If you want to set the downloaded song or download any MP3 file as a ringtone, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now here you need to select track, album, artist or folder if you want to download ringtone on your device. So select the folder. Otherwise you can select the artists, albums or tracks from any other ringtone you want to use. So here we select this ringtone. Now tap on a done. Now tap on a done at the top right corner. Now you can see add the ringtone to default on your device. Custom ringtone. Whenever you add the downloaded song, it will automatically add to the custom ringtone. So you can just select the custom ringtone you want to set as an individual contact. Your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE or any other Samsung devices. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.